Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to pass data in routing using useContext in React.js. Yeah, let's start. Here I'm going to use this file as a main function and I imported this file in app.js. And first I'm going to create context. So I'm going to create one file for creator.js. Okay, and here I'm going to add first I'm going to import React, and after that const. Here I'm going to give my context, and here create context, and yeah, it is imported here. Okay, and after that I'm going to export this one where it is. Yeah, export default and my context. Okay, now our create context is ready. I'm going to save this file and I'm going to use that create context here. So here I don't want this one. Instead of that I'm going to add my context, and I imported that here, and I'm going to close this one, and here create context dot provider. Yeah, provider is also ready. Here I'm going to pass a value. You can pass anything here, dummy data, and here I'm going to create a routing. Okay, so you need to install this package. In my case I already installed, so here I'm going to add a browser route, and I'm going to close this one. Yeah, inside browser route I'm going to create a route. Yeah, it's here. I'm going to close this one, and inside routes I'm going to create a route. Here I'm going to close this one. Here I'm going to add a path, sorry for that, and initially empty string, and here I'm going to add a element. Thing route is not imported, that's why it's not suggesting. Here I'm going to add a element. Yeah, now it's fine. And here I'm going to add a slash because I'm going to display this component when page open or when project run. Okay, and here I'm going to create a component. This is child.js rfc. Yeah, this is fine, and I'm going to copy this one and save this file, and here to paste that one, and I need to import this and close that one, and I'm going to duplicate this file one more time. This is home, and here I'm going to create a second child.js rfc. Yeah, to copy this one and save this and change this one to second. Okay, now this is fine, and I'm going to access this my context value in a child components. Okay, so here first I'm going to check whether the routing is working fine or not. Yeah, this is a first child. Okay, and if I add a home, it's showing second child, but I didn't get any value from the my context, so I need to access this one in a child. So first go to this component. Here I'm going to add a const get data. Here use context, that is from a React.js, and here I'm going to pass the my context because we need to get a value from this context because we already created a create context. So here copy this, and first I console this one, paste that, save this, and go to first screen. Here dummy data is already printed, right? I'm going to refresh the screen. Here dummy data is printed, and I'm going to display this value in a here, and yeah, here dummy data is displaying. So dummy data from this is 1. Yeah, this is fine, and I'm going to access this from a second component. So copy this, go here and paste that. I need to import this too. Okay, yeah, use context is imported. Now my context is also imported. Okay, and here I'm going to console this one, or copy this and paste it here inside a curly braces. Yeah, save this here. This is file, I mean first one, and here I'm going to change this to home. Now the second component value is also showing. We can access the create context this value from anywhere from this routing. Okay, you can pass a static value, or you can pass state or anything. Okay, yeah, this is what I tried to tell this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.